This is Azim Public School, Jalalabad, which is intense. One school is on this hilltop, Azim School, Srita. Every year we receive a new nursery in the schools, and we do not get the lateral entries. And the same class progresses. The senior most classes have reached up to class 6. This almost end of district Rawalpindi, and beyond river Jhelum is Azad Kashmir. We are in Punjab Valley, and we are closer to Azad Padan. And you see this area, crow flight from Prime Minister House, Islamabad, is not more than 20 kilometers. But it is extremely backward area. You can look around, there is no electricity. There is only one road serving this valley. Of course, no quality schools available in this area. So we have got one school, Azim Public School, Gal, which is next to this hillside. As a trust and all the members, they have jointly decided, we are planning right now to establish a college, then develop progress further towards professional colleges. Any child which we are receiving in nursery, we will be supporting that children till he gets adjusted in his profession. Now can you see that rocky mountain? This rocky mountain is village Narad. Now it's a big village, comprising of 82 small villages, and it is at the height of over 5,000 feet from sea level. We have got Azim Public School Narad in that village, and there are about 500 children from class nursery up to class 4 being educated there. Unless the medium of instruction is similar for everybody, we as a nation cannot progress. The basic test of an education system is that anybody who is making a policy, he is to be questioned whether you will like to educate your own sons and daughters in that system or not. We decided that in this school system, inshallah, we will be educating them the syllabus of Army Public School. There's no dearth of people in this country who love this country. So we have got a family, they are volunteers from Shekhupura. Husband is doing as principal of hostel, where wife is teaching class 1. My colleagues and friends, they question me that, okay, this syllabus may not be possible for you to educate the children of illiterate people. It was even surprising for me that those children, they were giving results better than my own children. We are affecting the society in reverse order. Through these children, whatever the children are being taught, so that is traveling to the homes, especially the tarbiyat aspect. Preservation of environment is another aspect of this project. Last season, every child was told to plant 10 plants in their respective areas. So the 4,000 students would be 40,000 plants. I think as a nation we can only progress through education at a national level. But that may not be possible for individuals like me. One has to put in his own efforts. When I move out early in the morning and on the roadside when a small child waves at me, that gives me such a pleasure. So this has become, I think, everything for me.